I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to change your eSIM card with Movistar in Spain without losing your number or service, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit a Movistar store. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Inform the staff. Once at the store, tell the staff that you want to change your eSIM card. They will guide you through the process and may ask for your account details. Step 3. Complete the paperwork. You may need to fill out a form to authorize the eSIM change. Make sure all your information is correct to avoid any delays. Step 4. Insert the new eSIM. After processing, the staff will provide you with the new eSIM card. Insert it into your phone and restart the device. This step is crucial to activate the new eSIM. Step 5. Test the new eSIM. Make a test call or use mobile data to ensure the new eSIM is working properly. If you encounter any issues, let the staff know before leaving the store. Changing your eSIM card with Movistar is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask the staff for help. Good luck!